Hey guys, it's Hamza with another crypto video. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today is the day where we airdrop some tokens to my team. And I just want to discuss how well Splassive is doing this last week. We discussed this project at $11 Saturday of last week. I am happy and salty at the same time. I'm happy because the price has 400% went up. I'm salty. I didn't go balls deep. God, man, it's all good. I put in $4,000. Should have put like 30, 40, but hey, this is crypto. It's risky. $4,000 times four, $16,000. No, we invested at $11. Hold on. $4,000 divided by 11, right? That's 363 splash times the price now is $37.40. All right. That's 13,600. If I go to my tab, we are at 14,964, almost 15,000. And the reason for that is because I keep compounding. I believe the price of this will go to $100, just like drip and more. Um, the team is great. The influencers are on it. There's a lot of people on this Splassive network, and my team is small. Five, baby. I'm on five players only. But hey, it is what it is. Small people win too. $4,000 to 15. That's not bad, guys. And a lot of people is like, is it too late? No, it's not too late. We're talking about drip. Drip hit 170 at all time high. We're still early. The bull run is still brewing. So we have a lot of time. We have a lot of, money to come into the market. Now, this is not financial advice. Please, please, please do not listen to anything I say because this is crypto and crypto is risky. All right, guys. So, this is my first time doing an airdrop. As you can see, I already claimed it was $300, but after fees, it's 6.776. So 6.776 times $37. $250 divided by five people, $50. That's great. You're some the five people that joined under me will get one free, like 1.1 or 1.2 worth of splash. But hey, money is money, right? And we gotta start somewhere. Five people, 10 people. The more the merrier, of course. But hey, it is what it is. I'm not hating. Let's do it. All right. So I'm gonna go to Team Airdrop, right? I'm gonna use my address, okay, and I'm gonna divide it between matching players. All you gotta do is divide it by one plus splash. Now, if I get more splash, I will. If I get more players, I will divide it per the people who got more splash. So I'm gonna go ahead with my budget, which is 6.77, and I will divide it by five people. Let's approve this transaction. Oh, let's run it first. All right. So as you can see, we got 9, 37, 69, 2 splash, 9.76. Hey, you got to start somewhere. Let me approve it. And after the approval, let me send it. This is my first time doing an airdrop, so just be patient with me here. I like to do everything live on my videos. You know how I do it. All right. So after that, I'm gonna confirm it, and each person is going to get 1.13 splash. All right, 1.13, which is 1.13 times 37, $41, right? Because there's fees to send to other people. All right, transaction confirmed. So um, the as you can see, my balance is now low. The airdrop has been sent, and this is the way we do it. The next airdrop is going to be on Saturday. I do it once a week. Hopefully by then we'll get some more members. If we don't, it is what it is. I'm gonna keep hydrating. You know, I started off with 4,000, right? 4,000 divided by 11, right? No, hold on. $4,000 divided by 11. That's 363. As you can see, I'm claimed 52, which equals out to almost 400 splash. All right, guys, that's it for my video today. If I find out a new coin or a new DeFi coin that's similar to this, I will let y'all know. Right now, I'm super bullish about this. I will update y'all about my nodes, because in my nodes, and I'll go dive in deeply in my nodes. All right, after Splash, which is earning me right now $300 a day, not even 260. All right, as you can see, I update this every day, and I'll attach it below. I'm in these projects: LVT, Vapor, MCC Hunt, Splash, and it's earning me about $530 a day. That's, I mean, $530 a day. That's beautiful. We're starting somewhere, so if we times that by 1 month, that's almost $16,000. Like, that's retiring. You could retire off that money, you know. Go live in Venezuela, Puerto Rico, and live like a king somewhere, you know. $16,000. That's beautiful. All right. DeFi is beautiful, and I love it. This is the way I keep track of my things. These are the payouts I've paid to myself so far, and these are the rugs that I got rugged with. All right, guys, if you do enjoy my video, hit the like button below. It's your boy Hamza Al Asfar.